What's going on, mi gente? It's Louis the Boiler Man in the boiler room. That's right. I'm actually working on a Williamson boiler, a gas steam boiler, a GSA 150, and they also have a bad 8610U, which is the ignition module, which is right here. Let me show you guys. So that's bad. So this is the new one. I haven't finished wiring it up, but this is the new one. This is the old one, and now we're about to change the pilot assembly, which happens to be the old one. So what happens is they're getting a pilot. I see the pilot, and then it locks out after 3 tries, and so it's best recommended to replace the ignition module as well as the pilot assembly. So if you ever have that problem that you actually have a spark ignition or electronic ignition, you actually see a pilot or it cuts out. So that means you have a either dirty flame rod sensor or you just gotta replace it. In this case, I tried getting them going last night because it was cold, but I wasn't able to get them going. But I'm coming back today. It's the second day I'm here, and I'm gonna get them going, get them some heat. So guys, listen, this is what we do. This is what it is. Some jobs are easy, some jobs are not. But this is part of the business, part of the job. So,